Alright. As a trader, it's very important for you to learn the art of speaking to yourself. I mean, speaking yourself out of your problems. I mean, most traders have a lot of problems like fear to take a trade, fear to exit a trade, fear to use a certain kind of lot sizes, and a lot of problems. So, what you need to do as a trader, you need to learn the art of speaking yourself out of that problem. Whenever you feel fear, speak yourself on confidence. Whenever you feel like you don't trust yourself, speak yourself to trust yourself. What do I mean? Sometimes we fear to trust ourselves because we made a lot of mistakes, a lot of bad decisions. So we tend to don't trust on ourselves. So you need to speak to yourself and input new knowledge that I have to trust myself. I'm good in this. I'll succeed in this. Whenever you feel like not motivated, you need to learn how to speak to yourself to be motivated. So it's a very great trick as a trader, and it's a very great skill to learn to speak to yourself. That will cure a lot of the problems on psychological matters. Stay blessed, signing out.